In the previous module, we have learned how to find area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Now in this module, you will learn how to find area of quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. For finding the area of quadrilateral, we have to join its diagonal and divide quadrilateral into two triangular parts. After calculating the area of each part, we will add area of both the parts. In this way, we will calculate area of quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. Now come to the question 1 of exercise 12.2. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90 degree. Angle C equal to 90 degree. AB equal to 9 meter. AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? We have to find area of quadrilateral. Now what is given? Right, given a park in the shape of a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Angle C equal to 90 degree given. AB equal to 9 meter. BC equal to 12 meter. CD equal to 5 meter. And AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Means we have to find area of this quadrilateral. To find area of quadrilateral, ABCD. Now for finding the area of quadrilateral, we have to join BD. Now construction join BD. Now we will solve this question in 4 steps. Step 1. Triangle DCB is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle BCD, or you can write DCB, or you can write DBC. Triangle BCD. Firstly, we have to calculate its hypotenuse of right angle triangle BCD. For calculating the hypotenuse, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we have to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square, we know the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is BD. BD square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. 12 square equal to 144. 5 square equal to 25. Now add these two numbers. Sum will equal to 169. BD square equal to 169. Then value of BD equal to under root 169. And we know what is the under root of 169? Under root 169 equal to 13 meter. Hence, value of hypotenuse equal to 13 meter. Now we have calculated hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Now in step 2 we will find area of triangle BCD, and in step 3 we will find area of triangle ABD. In step 2 we will find area of triangle BCD, and in step 3 we will find area of triangle ABD. In step 4 we will add area of both the triangles for finding the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have to solve step 2. In step 2 we have to find area of triangle BCD. In right angle triangle BCD, we know the formula for calculating the area of triangle equal to half into base into height, equal to half into base is 12 meter, height is 15 meter, height is 5 meter. Now calculate it. Area of triangle BCD equal to 30 meters square. This is our second step. Now we have calculated area of triangle BCD, which is equal to 30 meters square. In step 3, we will find area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD, and we know that when length of 3 sides are given, then we will use Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle. Therefore, by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABD will equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now here A will equal to 8 meter, B equal to 9 meter and C equal to 13 meter. First of all, we have to calculate semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. 8 plus 9 plus 13 divided by 2. 30 divide sum will equal to 30. 30 divided by 2, then semi-perimeter is equal to 15 meter. Now we have to put semi-perimeter value of A, B, C under this square. Now area of triangle equal to S is 15, S minus A is 8, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 13. Now 15 minus 8 equal to 7, 15 minus 9 equal to 6, 15 minus 13 equal to 2. Now find the prime factors of each term. 15, prime factor of 15 is 3 into 5. 7, prime factor of 6 is 2 into 3 and 2. Now make the pair of same numbers and bring out it from the square root. Next pair. Take one number from this pair outside of the square root. Now what we left inside the square root? 5 7s are 35. Then area of triangle equal to 6 under root 35 meters square. You have already learned how to find square root of a number in previous classes. So you have to find the square root of 35 up to 2 decimal places. Square root of 35 is equal to 5.91. Now multiply 5.91 with 6. Then product will equal to 35.46 meters square. Now we have calculated area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equal to 35.46 meters square. Now in step 4, we have to add area of both the triangles for calculating the required quadrilateral, for calculating the area of required quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle BCD equal to 30 meters square. We have calculated it in second part. And area of triangle ABD equal to 35.46 meters square. Now add area of both the triangles. Sum will equal to 65.46 meters square, or area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to 65.5 meters square approximate. Now question is, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and have same area. Area of triangle equal to, right, what is given? It is given that a triangle and a parallelogram have same base. Base of triangle equal to base of parallelogram and have the same area. Area of triangle equal to area of parallelogram. Now it is given in question. A triangle and a parallelogram have same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base. Sides of triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. Base of parallelogram is 28 centimeter. Find the height of the parallelogram. We have to find height of the parallelogram. Now to find is height of parallelogram. Firstly, we have to calculate area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Area of triangle ABC equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C by using Heron's formula. Here A equal to 26 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter and C equal to 30 centimeter. Firstly, we have to find semi-perimeter, and we know the formula of semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. Now add the three numbers. 26 plus 28 plus 30. Sum will equal to 84. Now divided by 2. Therefore, value of S is equal to 42 centimeter. Now we have to put value of S, A, B, C in this square root. Area of triangle ABC equal to under root 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. Now next step, under root 42, 42 minus 26 equal to 16. 42 minus 28 equal to 14. 42 minus 30 equal to 12. Now do prime factors of each number. 42. Prime factor of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. Now do prime factor of 16. Prime factor of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now do prime factor of 14. Prime factor of 14 equal to 2 into 7. And next step, do prime factor of 12. Prime factor of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to make pair of same numbers and bring out one number from each pair to find the square root of these numbers. Now these numbers are square root of given numbers. Now multiply these numbers. Product will equal to 336 centimeter square. In this way, we have calculated area of triangle ABC equal to 336 centimeter square. Now read next step. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Area of triangle equal to area of parallelogram. It is given that area of triangle equal to area of parallelogram. And we have calculated area of triangle. Area of triangle is 336 centimeter square. And we know the formula of area of parallelogram. Formula for finding the area of parallelogram is base into height. It is the product of base and height. Base into height. And base of the parallelogram is 28 centimeter. And we have to find height of the parallelogram. Height equal to 336 by 28. Height will equal to 12 centimeter. This implies height of parallelogram equal to 12 centimeter.